Hello. In this video we're going to be talking about the central angles of a circle. Now the central angles of a circle sum to 360 degrees. And the arcs of those circles will be the same measure as the central angle that subtends it. So let's go through this example here to talk about what I mean. So in this figure we have circle A, and we have some information about 3 of the 4 angles coming from the center. So all 4 of these angles are central angles. All 4 of them have to add to 360. However, because we don't know any information about the 4th angle, we can't add these together and sum to 360. What we do know is that this segment right here, that is a straight line, and so that would be half of a circle, and thus 180. So we could say that 2x plus 10 added to 3x would equal 180. 2x plus 3x makes 5x. And if we subtract 10 on both sides, (5x) equals 170. Then we'll divide by 5. So x is, that gets us 34. So x is 34. So to find each piece, well, this one right here, that leftmost one, is 2 times 34 plus 10. 2 times 34, that is 68. Added to 10 makes 78. So this is 78 degrees for that angle. The next one is 3 times 34. 3 times 34 makes 102. And so this is 102. 78 and 102 should add to 180, and indeed they do. 78 plus 102 does make 180. And the last angle that we can do with x, 2 times 34 minus 8. 2 times 34 is still 68. Minus 8 gives us 60 for that angle. So what is our missing angle over here? Well, I should know that all 3 angles added together, 78, let me use this color here, 78 plus 102 plus 60, that gets me, well, this is 180 plus 60 more makes 240, and then if we take 360 minus that, we have 120, so this must be 120 degrees. We also know that the 120 and the 60 should add to 180 because, again, together they make a straight line. So those are the angle measures. What are the arc measures? Arc measures are measured in degrees, and they're the exact same thing as the central angle. So this arc right here, is 102 degrees. This arc right here that I have measured in listed in green is 120 degrees. This arc right here, that's 78 degrees. And this arc down here is 60 degrees. And so that's how we find the measure of each angle and arc in degrees. For now, we are done.